Welcome to our corner of the culinary world, where we transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Today, we're setting the stage for a dessert that's not just a feast for the eyes, but a delight to the taste buds. Brace yourself for an irresistible journey into the world of baking as we prepare to whip up something truly special. Today, we're whipping up something special, a delicious and moist banana cake. First things first, gather all the ingredients you'll need for our banana cake. You'll need 2 to 3 ripe bananas. They're the star of our show. To make the cake base, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt. You will also need ½ cup of unsalted butter that's been softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs. For flavor, we'll include 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And lastly, 1 cup of buttermilk to give our cake a tender crumb and a slight tang. This may seem like a lot, but it's all to ensure our banana cake turns out moist, sweet, and utterly irresistible. Now that we've got everything, it's time to start mashing those bananas. The riper, the better. Now let's get down to the baking process. Our banana cake adventure begins with mashing those ripe bananas. Remember, the riper they are, the more natural sweetness and moisture they'll add to our cake. So don't hesitate to use those bananas that are turning a little brown. Once you've mashed them to a smooth consistency, set them aside. While our bananas are resting, let's move on to our dry ingredients. Take your all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt and sift them together in a separate bowl. This little step is crucial for achieving a smooth and fluffy texture in our cake. Now, let's create a cloud of goodness. In another bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. This process helps to incorporate air into our mixture, giving our cake that soft, light texture we're after. Next, it's time to add our eggs. Break in 1 egg at a time, giving a good mix after each addition. Don't forget to add a splash of vanilla extract for that extra layer of flavor. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. We're now ready to bring it all together. We'll alternate adding our dry ingredients and buttermilk to our banana and butter mixture. This step ensures an even distribution of flavors and contributes to a perfectly moist cake. With our batter ready and the kitchen filled with the heavenly aroma of bananas and vanilla, it's time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the batter into a greased and floured cake pan, spread it evenly, and off it goes into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. While our cake is baking, let's whip up a creamy frosting to take our banana cake to the next level. Now it's time to make our creamy frosting. Gather your unsalted butter and cream cheese, both softened to room temperature. You'll also need powdered sugar and a dash of vanilla extract. Begin by creaming together the butter and cream cheese until smooth and fluffy. Gradually add in your powdered sugar, followed by the vanilla extract. Keep mixing until you have a velvety, luscious frosting that's ready to grace our cake. But wait, ensure your banana cake is completely cooled before you start frosting. We wouldn't want our beautiful frosting to melt, would we? Once cooled, take a generous dollop of frosting and spread it evenly over the cake. It's like wrapping our banana masterpiece in a sweet, velvety blanket. Go ahead, be generous. After all, it's the frosting that truly crowns this cake. And there you have it, our irresistible banana cake. Whether it's for a celebration or a sweet indulgence, this cake is sure to bring smiles to everyone who takes a bite. That's heavenly. Imagine sinking your teeth into a slice of this banana cake. It's moist and brimming with the natural sweetness of ripe bananas, balanced perfectly with a hint of vanilla. And let's not forget the luscious cream cheese frosting, adding a velvety finish to each bite. It's an indulgence that's worth every crumb. So why not whip up this delightful treat in your own kitchen and let it work its magic? You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.